Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing some more Skechers Classic Fit. This time let us look at the package, the Delson-CAMBEN in the color black. I also have the black gray. If you want to have a look at those, they are on my channel too, right next to this video. This is men's size 10.5 US or European 44. Very curious to see those, how good the quality is. Let's unpack, let's get the foil out of the way. And here we have the first one. First glance at those. And then let's get out the other shoe. And in a bit I will make the comparison between the black and the black gray model. This is what those shoes look like. Let's look at them from the side. Same dark mesh, and then this leather kind of thing, the rubber material, like the stretch material, and yeah, the stitches here are not as obvious. But I'm a little bit scared. Those stitches here, they get damaged very easily. The Skechers logo is almost hidden, you almost can't see it. Same with this one on here. There's an S2, something in the back. No, those two are the only Skechers logos. This is the inside of the shoe. Pretty standard again. The stretchy material here, the light foam, and then this mesh material. I'm curious how thin it is, but as thin as all the sneakers as right now. Then here, another Skechers logo. This one will be hidden because it's on the shoe sole. And yeah, I think this material will be not as fixated while walking, so if you wear those while there is ice outside or something, it can be quite dangerous. Not sure how slippery it is otherwise. Alright, let's have a quick comparison to one of the gray shoes, like the black gray, and this is the difference. You can see this part here on the gray shoe is obviously gray, and the rest, okay, it's not exactly the same. You can also see this material here is kind of smooth, and on here it's this mesh material. Then of course this shoe tongue is different as well, although it's pretty much the same leather. It's vegan leather, by the way. Shoelaces are the same, rubber is the same. The back is different too. This thing is a little bit different than this here. This one is more shiny and has like stripes compared to this one that is more just a pure black. And then of course you have this part here that looks different, and the stitches are completely different too. Let's get the gray one out of here and back to the black ones. Alright, this was me unboxing the... Let me have a look at the box again. So whoa, that was a zoom. Didn't mean to zoom here. So this was the Skechers Classic Fit Delson-CAMBEN in the color black, men 10.5 US, European 44. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.